Well, this is an eye palette definitely worth celebrating. Look at this eye palette from Ciaté, London. I am a woman. What's your superpower? Volume 2. On the back it says, to all the amazing women, we see you, we hear you, and we celebrate you. I can't wait to dig into this. We have mattes, we have shimmers, we have shifts. Looks like a one and done palette to me. Prime with P. Louise. I use Rumor 02. I'm also gonna set that with a little bit of setting powder just so everything blends together smoothly. Enough horsing around, let's get to it. No apologies. And we're gonna start with that in the crease. I really wanna add some lift today, so I'm taking that crease corner all the way up to the edge of my eyebrow, and then it'll come down. This is gonna give me some lift this way. You see what I mean? So that deeper color, I don't have anything else on, but it's just cutting off the brow bone area, giving me lots of lift. Come right next door to Loud and Proud. We're gonna build up depth on the outer corner. I'm not taking this all the way up, but I am just going to run little circles on that outer third here. Don't worry about coming out here. We're gonna clean that up later. Independent Woman. Just brighten that upper brow area. A big fluffy brush to blend. For the main lid, I wanna have a little fun. Look at these fun shimmers and shifts. I wanna do a shift, so I'm gonna do Powerful on the main lid. Shadows are very smooth. No fallout. That's really pretty. We add just a pop of Future is Female right on that inner corner. Unique means special as a liner. What do we think so far? These are great shadows. And there we have it, finished look. I have a few Ciaté London palettes and I love their shadows. They're very buttery, soft, blendable. But this one in particular is really gorgeous. I also say with the plums and purples in here, you're definitely gonna love it if you have green eyes, hazel eyes, brown eyes. And to all the women in my life and to all the women in my TikTok world, here's to us.